Role as in?
As in because when you're doing the scenes and all, I'm sure.
No, there's been a lot of anger anyway. So it was anyway suppressed, and I needed an outlet that I to kind of just go out and.
बहुत दिल के करीब है ये फिल्म क्योंकि बहुत समय दिया है मैंने इस कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए और चलो शारीरिक तकलीफें तो हुई लेकिन मानसिक तकलीफें भी बहुत हुई मुझे इस कैरेक्टर के लिए बट इट इज वेरी स्टाइलाइज्ड वे ऑफ मतलब हमारा जो एक्शन है
Poetic, that's the
इट्स
word.
वेरी पोएटिक यस
You make it brutal, but you make it poetic, so that.
Okay, राघव अच्छा किल में जैसा आपका एक रोल था अभी यहाँ पे भी विलन बन रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है नेक्स्ट न्यू बैडी आप ही है पहले आपके वीडियोस को देख के लोग एकदम खुश हो जाते थे अब तो लगता होगा कि डरते होंगे इज इट ट्रू
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार मैं मुझे मौका मिला होगा हीरो का मिलेगा तो हीरो कर लेंगे लेकिन क्या है मजा आता है विलन में थोड़ा फील है शाहरुख सर ने भी विलन से स्टार्ट किया था तो ऐसे ही कुछ मुझे लग रहा है क्या पता हो जाए
मालविका मेरा सवाल
Thank
So how was your experience while working, in such one of the biggest films, and working with such talents? And जहाँ तक देखा it's very much male-centric action, but I'm sure कि आपका role भी उतना ही मतलब you also kicking some ass, I can expect.
Work on. मेरा mentality हमेशा से ऐसा रहा है कि I've never believed in taking up work for the sake of it. It has to be something that calls out to you. It has to be a good team. So when Yuthra came my way, I was like everything from the makers to Ritesh, Farhan to Ravi sir. I was like, this is fantastic. It's the action है that she brings the tenderness, the much needed feminine energy, the softness, the cuteness to the film. So I think I do have one scene where I'm not very soft. I think he's referring to that.
It's a long one. You kill a lot of bad guys.
That's
killing them softly.
So even I got one scene to take off, vent all my pent up anger in life. मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिला है. So
सिद्धार्थ भाई
भी किए गए एक्शन के बढ़ते स्तर को देखते हुए तो कितने हिस्से क्या कुछ और एक्शन में ऐड ऑन करना पड़ा आपको क्या चीज़ें रिशूट करनी पड़ी और एक्शन में क्या कुछ नया लाने की चैलेंजेस रहे आपके लिए
क्योंकि हम
Story is what I really loved, and I wanted to do it, and the people who are making it, and to just I think I was I got lucky with that I got such a big film, and especially right after Gali Boy, just one film old, that too not the lead guy, supporting actor in that, and to just mount such a big film. So ये मतलब मेरा से कहूँगा अगर इतनी बड़ी फिल्म कोई आपके पास लेके आता है तो मतलब ये तो मेरा सौभाग्य है मुझे ऐसा लगता है तो I'm lucky to be able to do what I always love to do.
To me, it's not a long time. Sometimes few things take, like you have to do it right. And I'm an artist, I paint. So to me, every, project that you work in, coming of age story of this kid who has anger issue. And coming of age is not difficult. If you see, as a young cadet, he looks like a baby, it's like a boy. So we had to break, so the aspect of how, because each action has its own, it's very bare and raw action. There's no cheating. And what we did, we kept it very real and raw. And when you see the film, you can feel it. So all of them, anger also came from many takes and retakes. And they were really angry. So it was that. So you had to feel
and all that, but those are not done in this film. So if you're talking particularly about this, of course it does make it easier. Safety wise, you have to be safe because it doesn't matter whether it's the actor or the stuntman, you have to be responsible and have your safety measures in place, irrespective of who's performing that. Unless it's a completely creative film, there's nothing like that. So most of the action you see is being done by the actors sitting here, or it's been done by the stunt doubles. On wherever, obviously you don't want to put the actor at that risk, but the stunt guy is capable of doing that stunt. So I think that's the difference. But you're right, there is a lot of change, but it's not only, I think it's restricted to a certain level also, and it doesn't give you that much of freedom of creating what you want with real life action.
I also feel too much.
Oh, madam ji.
Vishal and Hassan,
Come close.
joining us.
Come close. Close. थोड़ा राइट में थैंक यू।
बाहर चलो बाहर चलो
बाहर लेते ना, बाहर लेते ना, बाहर कितनी गोली मारेंगे पीतल की। नहीं सही है सर, सही है, इधर ही सेंटर पर सर, लेफ्ट में सर, राइट में राइट में हाँ सेकंड
सर बंदूक बंदूक
उठाओ,
बंदूक डाल
ठीक है सर, सेंटर
यहाँ पे
ऊपर करना थोड़ा यार,
ये साइड सामने देखिए सर और आगे भाई साइड
किल देखना देखना आराम से भाई, इधर इधर सेंटर में देखो, उधर सेंटर सेंटर सर जी, हमने 4 मारा था, 40 ही मार दिया। अरे यार
राघव राघव
4 मारा था।
अरे तो आप बिचू में वीर राघव भाई यहाँ पे राघव भाई
राघव सामने,
राघव भाई
सेंटर राघव भाई सेंटर 40 मार दिए।
यहाँ पे राघव भाई यहाँ पे देखिए राघव भाई यहाँ पे सामने सेंटर ऊपर क्या बात है इधर एक बार
25
राघव भाई सामने आपके राघव भाई सामने राघव भाई कैसे कैसे करता है
लेके जाओ ये कैसे करता मनोज, मुंह में डालो, मुंह में डालो, इसके मुंह में डालो मनोज 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 क्या मनोज मनोज 15-15-25
रुकिए सर
आ जाएगा।
मालविका 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 थोड़ा आप और इतना में थोड़ा थोड़ा और ए बाबा
तेरा
इधर में सामने सामने मालविका मालविका
भाई राइट में बस यहाँ पे हाथ नीचे ले।
मालविका यो मालविका होल्ड लियो
सेंटर सेंटर बिल्लू सेंटर
भाई राइट में
जाओ ना मेरे भाई, सेंटर सेंटर
मालविका जी सामने देखिए ऊपर ऊपर अभी ये साइड है बंदूक ले लो बंदूक लॉलीपॉप
लॉलीपॉप लॉलीपॉप
लॉलीपॉप लॉलीपॉप आओ अभी ये साइड करते फोटो बोला सेंटर राघव आ जाइए
मनोज
क्या देखने का सामने देखिए सामने राघव
सर 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 आप भी यहाँ पे आइए।
जाना पड़ेगा सामने देखिए आपके अली के सामने अली के सामने आपका दोनों का चलो चलो कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप जाओ लेफ्ट
चले ना भाई,
सामने देखिए ना मालविका सोलो मालविका सोलो मालविका सोलो सामने देखिए सामने आपके सामने वाले सामने सिद्धार्थ सामने
सर
सामने देखिए
ओ मैडम जी अभी सोलो सोलो
मालविका यहाँ पे खड़े हो ना मालविका सामने
यहाँ पे मैम मालविका जी
सर देखिए सामने मालविका यहाँ पे सर सामने देखिए इधर सर सामने इधर सर सेंटर देखिए
भाई भाई गन लो
भाई सेंटर
भाई गन लो गन तो लो हाथ में देखो हाँ यहाँ पे देखो
मालविका सामने देखिए ना
थोड़ा लेफ्ट में आओ भाई
सामने मालविका सामने थी
मालविका लेफ्ट मालिक जी सामने,
जब मैं थोड़ा और
मालिक जी सामने। यही मांगता था।
लॉलीपॉप पूरा ही लग गया सर। लॉलीपॉप नहीं दिख रहा। चलो 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 चलो। अरे आप लोग इधर आ जाओ।
ये बढ़ो भाई, चलो एक घंटे। थैंक यू
Let me ask you some questions. हमने अब तक ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेलर नहीं देखा है, ओके लेकिन अगर हमने पोस्टर देखा है तो एक चीज हम सबको नजर भी आ गई और हमने छीन भी लिया हक से, और वो है ये लॉलीपॉप। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि इसका युद्रा के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है सर?
सर को सिगरेट पीते हुए एकदम ब्रूडिंग करते हुए देखा है।
हाँ,
सो ये वो गैंगस्टर है जो लॉलीपॉप खाता है और ही इज हाई ऑन शुगर एंड ही इज
Oh,
yeah.
that's a first, to be honest. I must congratulate you on the last time we saw your remarkable work, and that was with the movie called Mom. So थोड़ा सा लेट है लेकिन आज हम मिले हैं तो मुझे round of applause सीटियाँ होनी चाहिए.
Thank you guys.
Yes, thank you so much. Let's talk about Yudra. What can you tell us right now, Ravi sir?
So when Farhan and Sridhar narrated the story, and I knew then it had something which had very Shakespearean, Hamlet sort of a thing inbuilt in it. So it's a classic revenge, tragedy story. So I thought it's the best skeleton that they worked on as a design. And it is about this kid who can't control his anger and the rage and what it does to him.
Wonderful.
That's
Thank you
Yudra.
so much for giving us a sneak peek. Before, of course, I call on your collaborator on the stage, I do want to ask you, pehle aap entertainment mean to you, and what has that experience been like?
Oh, Excel for me, like I've known Ritesh and Farhan for long. While I was doing my commercial, I had met them. And I really love the kind of films they've been doing. Dil Chahta being one of my favorite film, yeah. And they make really beautiful movies, great characters, and a new age film. So a director like me, collaborating with them, it's like dream come true for me.
How lovely. Now that you've said the loveliest things ever, it's going to be making my job really easy. Ritesh, thank you so much for joining us today. Put your hands together and get those CTs going for Ritesh Sidhwani, please. Thank you. On cue, how are you doing?
Very good. Good evening.
Thank you so much for joining me, Ritesh. First of all, I must say that it's such an intriguing title. I do want to congratulate you on what a year 2024 has been. You've kept us on our toes as audiences. We're the same audience that died laughing in the theaters thanks to Madgaon Express. We're the same audience that had a crazy time with the characters coming back in Mirzapur 3. The same audiences who wept alongside Javed Saab with Angry Young Men very recently. So let's just talk about this year for Excel.
I'm just grateful and feels great that it's been a wonderful year. I know that everybody's keeps talking about our industry going through this phase and all that, but I think like if you have good content which speaks for itself, people come out and endorse it, absorb it, take a little bit from that, whether it's a docu-series. I mean, it's been overwhelming, the response we've seen. We were not even expecting it. But I think it's, though it's about two film writers, I think, but there is some kind of inspirational, aspirational part to their journey, which has connected with people who've got nothing to do with, anything to do with even writing or behind the camera, but they've, some way or the other, they've related to a part of their existing life through that story. So I think that's been there. Madgaon again has been a different journey. It just tells you to come in, enjoy a kind of a community viewing, have fun with your friends, and it's a certain way of these three guys who always wanted to, these four guys who always wanted to go to Goa, and somewhere I think what Kunal did is it reminded him to give a kind of an homage to Dil Chahta Hai, so that's where it went. So I think it's been great. And Mirzapur, of course.
Of course. And let's talk about Yudra now. I must talk to you. But see, we haven't watched the trailer yet, right? And that's why we're all here. But
I'm glad it's not leaked online as yet.
Oh my God, really? Because there was a wait for it, right? So I do want to ask you, what can we expect, and what does it do to Excel and the storytelling that you'd like to take forward with a title like Yudra?
I mean, I think it's we are storytellers. We are here to make content as long as it's engaging, entertaining, and it brings people together in a room like this. So I think that's what Yudra does. After a long time, you have this crazy action film, which is an underdog story. It's got a very, very strong personal emotion attached to it. So I think it's tick marking all those boxes which you see in a popcorn commercial fun film. I don't know what you'll take away from it because each one will have a different thing, but it talks about this individual story. It talks about his ethos, the way he looks at life, and how that arc completes through his journey. It is obviously completely fictional, but the story is very, very, it resonates because there's a personal story in it. You know what I mean? In terms of how he makes it his personal story. So there is an identification which will happen to it on a different level. So hopefully, I think, like I said, it'll be a fun, entertaining watch in cinemas.
Well, thank you so much for giving us a little bit of a hint of what that's going to be like. And both of you gentlemen, thank you for starting off the evening with me.
Thank
We're
you.
going to see as he will emerge, the one and only Siddhant Chatur Vedi. Absolutely love it. Now that is what I call an entry, my friend. Congratulations. I felt so good just introducing, that introduction was everything. And can I please say you completely deserve it. For a lot of us who've seen Siddhant's journey, I think today is a very special day for him. Ab seetiyan honi chahiye, dosto. Yeah. That's for you, my friend. That's for you. Thank you. Okay, so we don't know anything. We haven't watched the trailer yet, but there are these leaked, and when I say leaked, I want to see Ritesh's expression, leaked reports that, bhai, you've been doing some crazy training. You've been doing some MMA, some kickboxing, some, what is it called? Jiu-jitsu? Jiu-jitsu?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Are these rumors true? And does a Yudra need all of these in his artillery?
Firstly, thank you so much for such a powerful introduction. Thank you so much for all the cheers, and I'm so sorry for you guys who were waiting since a long time. But I'm very sure जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. And back to the question. Well, for me, I'm constantly evolving as an actor, and I love films where I get to learn skills. For Gully Boy, I was rapping. For Kho Gaye, I was, I learned stand-up comedy. For Gehraiyan, I learned
Drowning.
intimacy.
Oh yeah, I remember that intimacy
Yeah.
coach, yeah?
and I think for this one, it was a prerequisite. It's an action film, such a big film, so I had to just go for it. And I have a little bit of background of martial arts, and I always wanted to showcase. I still remember the first time when I went to Ritesh sir after Gully Boy, and this was actually the first film I signed after Gully Boy. It obviously took a long time because it's a big one. Thank you Farhan sir and Ritesh sir to actually, showing that faith to mount such a big film on a newcomer. I would say that this was the first film, and I went up to him and I was like, he's like, what do you want to do? I was like, I want to do action. And I had my show reels of the action stuff which I was learning through my struggling days on Juhu Beach and doing my martial arts with my coach. So I had a cut reel of that, and I sent it to Ritesh sir, and I said, sir, please can I do an action film? And luckily that time I think Farhan sir and Sridhar sir were coming up with this this magnum opus story, and Ravi sir was on board. So yeah, we jammed, and it just came to life. So yeah,
Thanks,
I'm really
Ritesh.
excited.
I'm going to send you reels of me running on Jew Beach next, okay? If that's the way to get this. This is an amazing
I was not
story.
running on the Juhu Beach.
No, I'm
I was
just-
doing
that's what I
flips.
can do, yeah. So this is meant to be like, we're all fielding for ourselves here. Also, it's a great story. I mean, your story is truly inspiring. I do want to ask you, it's very interesting. It's not Rudra, it's Yudra.
It's Yudra,
And it's such
yeah.
a beautiful name. Could you tell us anything at all before we watch the trailer about what this word means, or what does Yudra mean?
Well, it's the name of the guy, firstly. जैसा कि आप लोग आजकल देख रहे हैं कि अलग-अलग किस्म के नाम आ रहे हैं, कुछ नए-नए नाम आ रहे हैं बच्चों के. तो इसका मैं इन डेप्थ मीनिंग तो मैं आप लोग के ऊपर छोड़ूंगा जब आप लोग ट्रेलर देखेंगे. लेकिन बस ये एक नाम है, बहुत पावरफुल है. It's got a significance, but I will leave it up to the trailer for you guys to understand what it is about.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions very kindly and patiently. But for right now, of course, we're going to have to welcome Yudra ki Nikhat, because
Cool.
that is going to be the flame that fuels Yudra's fire. Please join me in welcoming the gorgeous, talented, and the stunning Malvika Mohanan. Hi! Well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो.
ज़्यादा सीखे
शुक्रिया.
हमारा कोई ऑस्कर भाई अभी.
There, he's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malvika, let me get you up to speed. Until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet, okay? So we can't spill any beans because we're going to watch the trailer after one more of our cast members joins us. But before we go there, I want to ask you, tell us something, yeah. Tell us something. We've only seen this poster. There's a lot of blood. There's lollipops. And for some reason, it looks like this man's been up to no good. So please tell us what you can.
Firstly, a very good evening to everyone. So I'll tell you what went on in my head. We shot this film for a while because it's this massive film. We shot all over the place. And when I saw some shots, when I saw a few things recently, a few months back, my first thought was, it's so stylish and it's so slick, and it's something that I as an audience haven't seen in a very long time. So it excited me as an audience, not even as a part of the film. So I hope it has the same effect on everyone else watching it. And about Yudra, I think, he's done some pretty intense and cool stuff in the film. You'll see it very, very soon. But I can't wait for the world to watch all the magic he's created.
You talked about style, but there's style's nothing without substance, right? And substance, I can tell you, again, I'm just reacting with those posters. How do you guys give me such sizzling chemistry on a poster, goddammit? Like, stop it. Like, what, is there a secret to that?
You want to take that answer? मैं जो बोलूँगा गलत होगा.
No, where?
I think it's Ravi sir's magic.
Ravi sir,
yeah.
you are the chemist on this
Yes,
chemistry.
he is.
Nice.
That's true, though. That's a perfect word.
Nice. So, or rather, the alchemist, I would say. So, I know. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for totally not answering that question is completely fine. At this point, of course, thank you, Malvi, for joining us, and please stay on the
Thank you.
stage. Because up next, of course, I'd like to call upon the incredibly talented performer Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause for his charismatic performance, his impressive versatility. He's been wowing audiences with his dynamic roles. After his standout performance in Kill, he's now stepping into the role of the villain in Yudra. Hi cuties. हम सब ने WhatsApp ग्रुप पे कलर कोऑर्डिनेट किया है हमारे कपड़ों को, है ना? This was great fun. Thank you for taking my memo, guys. That was amazing. Yeah, so let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त.
अच्छा.
अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं, तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दें इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं, आपको क्या देखेंगे.
यार वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा. हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो, है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार. बहुत ज़्यादा फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें. बहुत कशमकश किए हैं हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ है मेरा इस फिल्म के दौरान बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो देखिए, बहुत मेहनत की है सबने, बहुत खून पसीना एक किया है. बहुत वक्त जब टीनेजर था तब शुरू की थी फिल्म. अब बड़ा हो गया हूँ. सो यस, देखिए अब बताइए.
I must acknowledge the wonderful year you've been having. Okay. बहुत डराया आपने मुझे. मैं ट्रेन में जाने से डरती हूँ किल के बाद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि अगर तुम आ जाओगे वहाँ पे तो मुझे डर लगेगा, right? Are you having fun scaring people? You're doing it again?
I'm doing it again. I think I'm not. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, actually. मतलब मजा है विलन में. एक फील है. हाँ, वो तो इसलिए.
The reason why this is so much fun is because I have watched this trailer. It is so fantastic, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. So, shall we actually show it to them?
Let's go.
All right, guys. So we're gonna step aside and give us a minute because ये नीचे आना होगा और आपको दिखाएंगे 2 बार, of course, without any breaks, the trailer of Yudra. You take a seat once again. Ritesh, Ravi sir, you want me to call you Ritesh sir? No, na? Thanks. Because I know that brief. Malvika, Siddhant, Raghav, could you kindly step up and take a seat? I'll let you. Yes. I'll let you go ahead. Thanks. I'm going to be here.
हेलो. एक चेयर और अगर. Please sit here.
राज अर्जुन साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप स्टेज पर आए. हमारे इस छोटे से, कहते हैं ना, राउंड टेबल लेकिन लाइन में हैं हम. उसकी शान बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू.
शुरू करते हैं. अब आपके हवाले वतन साथियों, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है. अगर सवाल हो तो माइक्स आपके पास आएंगे. प्लीज डायरेक्ट योर क्वेश्चन टू समबडी हियर एंड फिर वो आपके सवालों के जवाब देंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फ्लोर इज ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चंस, स्टार्टिंग विथ यू लवली.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Zoom channel. So this question is to you. How much of anger you had to control while to went out, and let it go completely for the action thriller?
To control as in?
Control as in, because when you're doing the scenes and all, I'm sure you may be finding it difficult to be all out there, venting it out.
No, there's been a lot of anger anyway. So it was anyway suppressed, and I needed an outlet like that to kind of just go out and just be myself. So yeah, I mean, that's all I can say about it.
The second question is to you, Raghav. It's a bloodbath again for you. Do you feel like, recollecting some fond memories from Kill to Yudra, or because, otherwise also?
It is just beetroot juice for me. Sauce, beetroot juice, all edible. तो इतना कुछ ऐसा लगता नहीं है, बट हाँ आजकल कुछ ऐसा मुझे, ये मैंने शूट बहुत पहले कर ली थी किल से, एंड दिस इज़ माय, ये बहुत दिल के करीब है ये फिल्म, क्योंकि बहुत समय दिया है मैंने इस कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, और चलो शारीरिक तकलीफ़ें तो हुई लेकिन मानसिक तकलीफ़ें भी बहुत हुई मुझे इस कैरेक्टर के लिए, बट हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्शन करने में आजकल, है ना, मज़ा आता है.
हाँ, but इतना ब्लड बात नहीं है उसमें, like what you're thinking. ये ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है, आप you're feeling it's too much, but it's not that much.
It is very stylized way of, मतलब हमारा जो एक्शन है,
Poetic, that's the
it's
word.
very poetic, yes.
You make it brutal, but you make it poetic, so that, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
राघव, मेरा सवाल आपसे यहाँ पे on the left थे.
आजी
यहाँ पे,
पाजी,
कैसे हैं आप?
वजी वधिया.
अच्छा, किल में जैसा आपका एक रोल था, अभी यहाँ पे भी विलन बन रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है नेक्स्ट न्यू बैडी आप ही है. पहले आपके वीडियोस को देख के लोग एकदम खुश हो जाते थे, अब तो लगता होगा कि डरते होंगे. इज इट ट्रू?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार, मुझे मौका मिला है इतना बड़ा बनने का, मेरे को जो बनाना चाहे मेरे को, अगर वो खम्बा भी बनाता अपनी फिल्म में बन जाता. वो मौका मिला है मुझे विलन का, तो मैं विलन से ही कर रहा हूँ. हीरो का मिलेगा तो हीरो कर लेंगे, लेकिन क्या है मजा आता है विलन में, थोड़ा फील है. शाहरुख सर ने भी विलन से स्टार्ट किया था ना, तो ऐसे ही कुछ मुझे लग रहा है, क्या पता हो जाए.
मालविका, मेरा सवाल आपसे. हाय, कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम
Thank
टू
you.
बॉम्बे, वेलकम टू
you.
बॉलीवुड.
Thank
So how
you.
was your experience while working, in such one of the biggest films, and working with such talents? And जहाँ तक देखा जाए, it's very much male-centric action, but I'm sure कि आपका role भी उतना ही, मतलब you also kicking some ass, I can expect.
I was waiting for the right project to work on. मेरा mentality हमेशा से ऐसा रहा है कि I've never believed in taking up work for the sake of it. It has to be something that calls out to you. It has to be a good team. So when Yudra came my way, I was like, everything from the makers to Ritesh, Farhan, to Ravi sir, I was like, this is fantastic. Plus it had Sid, and it was a genre I'd never done before. So it felt like the perfect film to, come to Bollywood with. My character she brings the soft part to the film. क्योंकि इतने मर्द है, इतनी एक्शन है, that she brings the tenderness, the much needed feminine energy, the softness, the cuteness to the film. So I think all of those scenes are.
But you want them
But-
to watch the film, and
I do have one scene where I'm not very soft. I think he's referring to that.
it's a long one. You kill a lot of bad guys. Yeah.
That's
Killing
true.
them softly, I would
So
say.
even I got one scene to take off vent all my pent up anger in life. मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिला है. So
सिद्धार्थ भाई, so action फिल्में हम देखते देखते बड़े होते हैं. सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन एंड आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर, कितनी सारी हमारे एक्शन हीरोज फेवरेट होते हैं. So आपके कौन से एक्शन फेवरेट हीरो थे जिनको हम while you were shooting Yudra, you went on with that, I'm gonna be that killing machine. ऐसा कोई थे बॉलीवुड से, हॉलीवुड से, जो आपने तभी उस टाइम पे याद किया?
देखिए, मेरे लिए एक्शन हमेशा ड्रामा से रूट होता है. एक्शन कभी भी मेरे लिए वो नहीं रहा है मज़ेदार जिसमें बस लोगों को मार रहे हैं. उसके पीछे एक पर्पस होना चाहिए, उसके पीछे कुछ मतलब एक हर्ट होना चाहिए, उसके पीछे कोई कहानी होनी चाहिए. और आई थिंक द biggest action hero we've ever had, as the documentary sir has produced, is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. जब मैं दीवार देखता था बचपन में, तब मुझे लगता था यार ये एक्शन फिल्म है, लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे ध्यान से तो उसमें सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन, लेकिन हर एक सीन ऐसा होता है जैसे लगता है कि यार अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ होगा. जैसा कि जावेद साहब ने भी कहा था, मैं उनके काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज़ भी देख रहा था कि काफ़ी कैरिकेचरिश हो चुका है वो एक्शन का जो एक इमेज है एंग्री यंग मैन का, क्योंकि सब ने वहाँ से उठा के उसको कैरिकेचर कर लिया. बेमतलब में लोगों को मार रहे हैं, बेमतलब में चीज़ें हो रही हैं, just for the to get the eyeballs, just for the effect. But in this film there is a lot of depth, and that's what I connected to. अगर मुझे ऐसी ही एक्शन फिल्म होती जिसमें मुझे बस स्टंट्स करने हैं या उछल कूद के मारना है या लोगों को मारना है और बस एक सिक्स पैक दिखा के हीरो, मेरे लिए वो मज़ेदार नहीं होता है कभी भी. हमेशा मेरे लिए वो एक इंटेंसिटी, एक एंगस्ट, एक कहीं ना कहीं से जो होता है ना वो एक आग होनी चाहिए अंदर, और भले अगर वो मारे भी नहीं। और जैसे कि बच्चन साहब का हमेशा आंखों में होता था, वो आंखों से फाइट करते थे। और लात तो बाद में, लंबी लात भी है तो लात तो बाद में लगती थी, लेकिन उनकी आंखों से जो गोलियां लगती थी वो कुछ अलग ही थी। सो मेरे लिए वो सबसे आई थिंक सुप्रीम एक्शन हीरो हैं।
हेलो हेलो इधर
There on
Hello,
the
hello.
right. Thank you.
अरे कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। मैं दीपेश पांडे, दैनिक जागरण से। मेरा सवाल रवि सर से रहेगा। सुनने में आया फिल्म के कुछ हिस्से रिशूट भी किए गए एक्शन के बढ़ते स्तर को देखते हुए, तो कितने हिस्से, क्या कुछ और एक्शन में ऐड ऑन करना पड़ा आपको, क्या चीज़ें रिशूट करनी पड़ी, और एक्शन में क्या कुछ नया लाने की चैलेंजेस रहे आपके लिए?
क्योंकि हम पैंडमिक में शूट कर रहे थे तो आसान नहीं होता है, बिकॉज इट्स नेवर इजी टू पुट पीपल टुगेदर एंड शूटिंग एन एक्शन, स्पेशली इन दोज टाइम। तो हमने काफ़ी सीन्स शूट किए थे, और एज वी गॉट ऑन टू टेल एंड ऑफ द फिल्म, बिकॉज हमको ब्रेक भी लेना पड़ रहा था शूट के दौरान, बिकॉज फ्यू लोकेशन आर नॉट अवेलेबल, सो वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दोज मोमेंट्स। बट हमारा लास्ट शेड्यूल था, रीशूट तो नहीं हुआ है, बेसिकली कुछ सीन्स थे जो हमने रखे हुए थे, we'll do it later because we'll know how it shaping up. And जैसे बन रहा था, रितेश सर ने हमेशा कहा कि just do what you have in mind, so just don't hold back. So वो एक हमेशा वो एक एजेंडा रहा था. So yeah, we had certain ideas and we thought, okay, maybe we went back and we shot those things.